Welcome to StudioBinder Shot List and Storyboard. Create the perfect shot list by simply importing your script, and StudioBinder will generate lists for every scene. Customize everything. Organize your shots with precision. Label the shot size, the angle, add camera movements, and customize columns to fit your needs. With over 75 selectable options and millions of unique combinations, you can plan the most complex production with ease. Group your shot lists and easily reorder them as you need. Upload images to visualize your shots. You can use a hybrid view or view your scenes as presentations. Collaborating on a shot list has never been so easy. Share with a click and control who can view, add comments, or edit your shot list in the cloud. You can use your shot lists to generate more accurate shooting schedules for each day. Turn your vision into reality. Make the most out of your production days with shot lists and storyboards. A perfectly organized shot list takes you one step closer to your creative goals. Because content production is a delicate balance between craft and collaboration. Master both to go from imagination to production with StudioBinder.